Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix the blocked camera issue on Omegle. Now it's a very simple fix. So firstly what you have to do is, if you're using a Chrome browser, go to your phone setting by scrolling down over here. Then just simply tap on the gear icon, then just simply search for apps, then click on the apps, click on manage apps. Now over here just simply search for the browser that you're looking for. In my case it is Chrome, so open the browser. Now scroll down and click on the app permissions, and then just simply go to camera option, allow always while using the app. Make sure to choose this. Now go back to the application and see whether your issue is fixed or not, and if it's not fixed, the main problem is in the Chrome settings. So firstly what you have to do is just simply click on the three dots at the top right, go to settings, scroll down, and over there you will find site settings. Click on it. Now over here find camera and click on it. So over here just simply see if Omegle website is blocked or allowed. So as you can see in my one it is blocked right over here. So what you have to do is simply unblock it. So for doing that, click on it, choose allow. Now as you can see it is allowed. So if you go back and tap on video, it should start. So check the boxes. So as you can see it is working just fine. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.